Alright, let's get going, I guess. So where did I left off last time? Let's see where I was at. I believe this was done basically. Been a while since I put my hands on this this thing. What I'm doing here is I have a connection pool which should be very good. So that's I think I have not looked at completely right now is sort of whether like more than one process can do this thing, and I guess this is something maybe at first I will just like release it in a way that's only you know, meant to be single threaded. I mean, not single threaded, but single not scalable. So was I already doing some testing here? Let me check. Happening. Nice. Okay. Want to check whether looks like it's already doing the thing. Might be further along than I remembered. It's not really useful for it to be here, but no big deal either. Yes, let's just test it. I'd rather do this. Writing Rust takes a lot of patience. Just curious about what this file was about. Guess it's something. We change the title to like Rust compilation stream. See if we can do something else in the meantime. We get to somewhere. This is the endpoint. This was entry ID. Okay, this is good. This is progress. Then I wonder if I should have a select first, because of course if I have a single music is too loud for me. If I have a single process, there's not going to be all the things are going to be, all the indexes are going to be unique. But if I use many processes, then that's not going to work anymore. What the hell is this entry ID? That's what we're gonna do. We're going to make a wrapper method that checks if it's going to use a pool. I wonder if it's going to require, maybe a data type by itself. It must be even an iterator. I mean, that's going to look like the best, the most idiomatic thing to build an iterator, but let's go with the simple thing first. Let's get stuff done and then we can take care of the other things. I'm gonna build the state machine. Was it the usize or isize, I think. Simple way to atomic I had it, I think. Let's check it out. What was it? Tracking. Here goes. So it was in main after all. Where's the, oh, okay, I need to do this thing here. Want to use size, so wanna get we wanna die there, otherwise I mean not getting last entry ID means that there is a problem with the server, like with the database itself. So see if I can make a query. How was it? Let's check. Is this go? Then we will let the compiler help us. Select from, what am I doing? Underscore, nice. So from what sort table's name? Tracking entries. Although this should be executed at process start. Okay, so let's first do this. Then, I mean, if I select this and the table does not exist yet, it's going to be a problem. Should be fine, this query should be fine. Let's see. This can go for the time being. See what's wrong with this. Okay, of course. Not convert the error. So, okay, I will check this out later. Now, how do I deserialize that? Because I see if like statements have a... Oh, but yeah, of course you're not seeing anything. Oh, I was meaning I did this. I got the connection from the pool. I'm leaving be all these data type errors that revolve around this thing being a unit. I chose to get the maximum of the inserted entry ID +1, so I get the next number already. directly from SQL. Then I have this row, and I need to figure out a way to get the data out of it. So let's see. Maybe just row get 0, which should be a result if I'm correct. Type usize. So what type is this? On this size, execute. So let's go read the documentation. No connection probably, so query should use this one probably. Oh, I see. This is going to be the way to do it. Yes, I can make it just like this. So I return a result of the size and 0. And I believe Rust SQLite error should be the if complaints. Why is it complaining? Okay, this I can see. Let's do a regular check. All right. R2D2 error. Let's do one from SQL. Why does it return a usize? Not like it's doing some sort of static analysis. Okay, first of all, let's get this out of the question. Okay, this should sort of work. Let's see. Of course, iSize is a value that can be converted from SQLite. So I think I eliminated the problem. Hope the audio is fine. So I think it's pretty clear now. No effect. This return a result that is an impl of from SQL. and we cannot convert it to usize immediately. We have to first convert it to isize, which is from SQL, and then cast it to usize. The problems here are probably solved this way. And actually, it's not like this makes so much sense. It's just a generic error. So we got to, but I mean, I was using it here in the sense that there is a receiver from the thread. That's not actually the case, because it's a generic error that gets converted into, actually that converts the errors that we can face here and shoots them up outside. So it should be more than fine, should be capable of converting it. And I want to refactor it immediately. And just call it error. And it's going to be database : error. See if everything blows up. I don't think it will. It did not. Of course. 917. Should be fine and dandy. Very good. So we can now run this again. We'll go over to my browser, refresh this one. It's not going to do absolutely a thing. Of course, it's not going to load because I haven't finished compiling. I finished. So let's redo this again. Address not found in database. Oh yeah. And insert successful. Had this maxMindDB. Let me re-download Geolite database. I think I will have to automate this somehow. Was I using what? Data. Get permalink. Let me open a new going to contain my license key, which is no big deal, but I don't want that associated with. Nothing, but I don't want it on the internet, so. I'll take just a minute. Requests. Something we can look together is this. Look at together because I want to. What was it? Whatever, I'll do this later. Meanwhile, I will just download the file. Alright, I guess we can like give it another spin. Or reload. Address not found in database. Nice. Oh, because it's probably local thing. Do a few more times. Oh, yeah, that's very important. I was about to forget it. I want to separate it's very windy here today. I don't care, I mean, it's been super hot. the whole time. So I gotta simply copy over this one here. No big deal. Why is it complaining? Never use it. It's fair, I guess. This one and this one, they're meant to just like crash the programs. Everything's on fire. I don't want to do any more of this. Bye bye. So it's okay to use unwrap. Oh, then yeah, I should probably remove this part here because it's not going to be needed anymore. Still an ugly migration, but we're going to keep it minimal, so. I was thinking about printing the IP, which is not you know, tracked by MaxMind, but I don't want that to happen anyway, because I don't want to record that kind of information anywhere, to be GDPR compliant. So next up, I think we have oh, there's a big feature that's probably necessary, which is visualizing things, but I'm not sure if I want to do it like maybe just provide a general framework for that. That's going to be very, very huge. I don't know if I want to do it in this project or just leave it as a data collector. I will now assume that it's not going to be used in more than one thread. No load balancing whatsoever, and it's probably sufficient, like put it in a very low power VM and throw everything at it. It's probably never going to complain. Maybe I will we'll go on like naive, very naive, run the naive benchmark. Let's see how good can it hold. Oh. Valid column type. This is interesting. Just do it the the regular way. +1, and that's it. Not going to do anything more fancy than this. Fancier. See what the internet says. I opened up this thing and that's zero. That's 0 entries. This is reasonable. But yeah, I should face this at the database level, because like there is a possibility that I get zero results. So I will have to let me check again if it's actually like an integer. It's an integer, not null. So this is very good, and I need to find a way to get either 0 or the value that's recorded. See if I run this in the SQLite thing, if I run a query, you can't see that, but select max entries ID from the table name, tracking entries. It's just null. So I believe I could do this. Let's see if it likes it a bit better. Yeah, of course there is a number of problems. Let's see if I don't know if it's gonna work. It's starting to get a bit ugly, like slightly cringe, but and of course that's it. I mean, it's starting to get a bit jumbled, but I still think it's feasible, and it's not going to be an error now. It's something. We just wait now. Looks like just few samples to me, but I was hoping for it to be a bit faster. I want to check whether you can disable, in my opinion, in this case is like logging does a lot of damage. So it should only, no, it still uses the, I want to see whether I can get like the very last kind of level error. Maybe because I hard coded it. Let me see. Maybe it's in logging. Yeah, it's in logging and I hard coded to info. And let's see if I can get like the level filter from the environment. I'm using simple logger, right? Simple log. Rest. So we'll need documentation from this one. I will do this super ugly thing now. This is the default. Sure, I will do this. Okay, so we have our level filter. Why? I am about to be mad. I mean, this is an option anyway, so what are I complaining about? Is it? Oh, it's still a result. Why though? This should be automatic. Well, let's see if the internet can help us. Probably. Oh, there it is. Primitive cast. Like browser. Yeah, because our problem is the structuring. There's stuff flying. Oh shit, I will just do this. I'm about to do this. See if it works first. Patterns to fields. What? Oh yeah, because maybe because it feels like there are two types there. Still not okay. This is completely baffling me. Well, I will do this somehow. Not sure how yet, but this kind of stuff keeps being a problem, even months of working in Rust. There we go. Guess I'll listen to this gentleman. This is actually working, but yes. Not bad, thank you, Mr. Internet. Very, 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 very good. I can go back to what I was doing before. Okay, it's not logging anything anymore. Much better. To 1,000 requests. Should probably not do one query per insert and maybe pull the things into a buffer. That brings forward another problem, which is I have to time the insertions. So, I mean, the requests are probably cool. I will have to ask again to Mr. Internet how this can work. If this is going to take a long time, it's not acceptable. Look, it's still going. This is not Rust, but it's the same idea. It's probably this one execute that's very slow. So back to like using prepared statements is probably the documentation docs. It's literally going to be the same statement ever. This alone should probably give a nice boost. I want this, please. Do whatever you want. I don't care. Okay, so not enough that program compiles. Shit, I forgot again this browser open. So what it was like move create the prepare statement here for the connection outside of this loop where it was before. Now I want to, it's very odd that it's not complaining as the connection is outside of there and hence shouldn't be passed around in threads. But now I want to have a prepare statement see if this app can work. Query map. I have to comment out this or clean it out later. See, takes 2 arguments, but 1 was supplied because let's see how the real prepare, where's prepare? Execute, okay. Okay. Hope it's going to be send and sync. Otherwise I will be very sad. Guess we will have to go the sync way and yeah, because I don't see any other way here. 0, yeah. I will need to move this this thing out of a synchronous thing and just use another layer of threading. Because I need a synchronous thread running this thing. It's not gonna be pub FM. Now, should I call it? I will move. I will let this function take care of the initialization of stuff. I don't remember its type, so I will do this. I will actually just pass in the connection or the pool even. Not just the connection. Is this going to be a thing? Yes. Hey EMP, how you doing? Big popular Italian website to order PC hardware online. Italian. Why Italian? Are you in Italy? And how are you doing? There's Draco, I think. I'll write it in chat. There's a few that are like, they have very ugly websites, but are very reputable. And if you like go on the Italian version of a few, you know, gaming laptop producers, they all link to these big but not like Amazon tier websites. There's a few of those. Drac was the one that looked more reputable to me. But it's out of you know, out of memory. I don't really remember. If I've never really bought from there. Just know that kind of well renowned. So where was I? Moving this one here. Oh shit, this is gonna be harsh. This is gonna be harsh because we will have to pass around the thread anyway. Yeah, it does exactly, but I mean, I think it's like strong in the industry. we'll do this super ugly thing now. Should create like a dedicated type. What was the error here? See what I was doing here. Need to look up what res error, save error is like. I mean, when does it happen? Sending alpha to channel is disconnected. Okay. By that, no further message will ever be received. So this is an acceptable use case. I'm gonna build a thread here where I will call the function just the connection and the receiver end. At the receiving end, I can just move. Okay, build connection, the SQLite connection manager, or maybe into. What was he complaining about again? SQLite connection manager. Is it gonna be acceptable? Because I really hope I'm not doing something awful here. Okay, insert thread. I will just do join here, so everyone's going to be happy. Don't care if the thread dies. Hope it's send. Hope it's send. It's send. Yes. See. It's fine. Holy shit. What more do you want here? See. Well, I just... What? Hello. I'm wrapping my head around this. What? Like let's reason about the types here, because that's what we have to do in 2020. Okay. These are options of something that comes from string, float, float. Okay. So I want to send entry, option string, option float over the thing here. And I have this type, this new type here, that's going to be here because the receiver is the receiver of entry query. I don't like this type name, but what's there to complain? I mean, there's a none here. Option of, yeah, no, the cool thing is that it's an option of string, but it's actually F64. Why does it expect an F64 when it is a channel of type, what the fuck is it? It's a channel of type entry query which has options of F64. It's there, no? This is options of stuff, whatever it is. You haven't found the option of string, damn it. Fuck. Because entry is of type entry. It has a place. Okay. Yeah, but the problem is it hasn't found that. Yeah. Yeah, but the problem is that he found the option of option, but I don't have an option of option here. I passed an option of string because I know this. See, let's trigger the error and see what it is actually. Oh, so it thinks it's option of string, and why is it that? Oh yeah, fucking course. Because map assumes that's everything. I think so. I'm not really sure. She does not implement a copy trait, and this makes sense. But I have not probably wants this. Okay, I see what's happening now. We'll probably have to do yes, now it makes a bit more sense. I will have to do something which is very ugly and not really idiomatic at all. I will have to squash. Okay. Let's go back to everything. Because okay, and now I see what's. This place is an option, so I get from an option a set of options, and then I unwrap it. This map should bring this is an option, whatever it is, and should give out of a tuple of the 4 values. And it unwraps it. So I don't find the mistakes here. What the hell was I doing here as well? You know what? This used to work. I hope this is send. If it's not send, I will be sad. No, not gonna work. I need another type. I need like a properly designed type. Let's kill all of these. I could... You know what? Empty. Fuck everything, basically. I hope it works like slightly faster than before. It's still not acceptable in my opinion. And this is a huge back pressure problem. So I
vinsero battaglie grazie alla loro figa.
Il procione, grazie del follow, benvenuto. Ciao Frae. So, e grazie del follow. I need to not execute this. Why the fuck? No, actually, yes. Yeah, exactly. I need the problem is if I have like 1000 no buffer of 1000 things all coming together, it's okay, but I need a timeout for that. Like if it's more than 1 second passes and there are no new connection, I will still need to clear the buffer. So let me first check how I need to check how to do. I could just run queries actually without really, you know. I will do. First of all, I need a buffer. Let buffer go back. I need a circular. No, I don't need a circular. What the fuck? Back of an entry. Tracking entry. Then I need. Sorry, I'll just type this one. I will first of all then let's say that design part. Let's say I get more than 1000 requests a second and I can push them into the system somehow in memory. I have no problem because every time I get 1000 requests, I just empty the buffer, run a transaction with the 1000 inputs. Fuck everything. I'm done. I don't have any problems. But if I get like 1000 requests per second for 2 years, and then at some point everybody stops using the system and there are 500 requests in the buffer, that the buffer is never going to be cleaned up. So what I want to do is have a timeout as well. But how do I do that? Because this is going to lock everything if I don't get any new message for a while. Fuck, this is a very hard concurrency problem. I should probably use try receive. Sorry. Try receive. Let me think. This is going to go in a spin loop and not block. So we'll have to time this. But I also have to let me think. I could sleep. I could just sleep. Whatever, give a sleep and check every I don't know 100 milliseconds. The problem is that that's going to introduce it's going to either wait 0 time, like do it continuously, or wait 100 milliseconds. So we'll just do this loop. I will wait for 100 milliseconds. It's, I mean, it's very arbitrary, but no. All right, so oh shit, thanks. I keep doing this. I've been doing the whole stream. Fuck. Okay, so what I did is just I don't like this though. Let's see. Match. I will put the sleep at the end actually. If let. Okay. Entry equals try receive, else sleep for milliseconds 100. I don't think this is a very good idea, but let's use the non-deprecated way. Back to the browser. What does happen if the channel is completely gone? Oh, receive deadline. Receive deadline, I like this. Let's see. Nightly only, fuck. This is not. I think I like this better even. No, I think receive timeout is the best idea. We can skip this one. But the problem remains, how can I check when there are no messages at all and the channel is closed? Back to the documentation. Maybe it's in this error. Let's check how it works. Empty or disconnected. So, okay, I will have to do a match. It's the only way. I will use the failure mods here. I'll just clean up a bit of this stuff. Okay, this should be fine now. Oh no, you're right. Receive timeout. It's a receive timeout error. Sorry. That Jigglypuff emote is powerful though. All of this is sequential, so I don't give a fuck about absolutely anything at all. Okay, so now I will flash everything to database here. Actually, I will do it later, so you know the thing is sequential. If buffer len is greater than 1000. And I will use another, I don't need an atomic size. Fuck, this is windy today. No. What? Nice. My house is about to fly, so I guess I will go close a couple of windows. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Was about to fly away. Yeah, that's a lag. That's what everyone says. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to either check that's like 1 second, let's say 2 seconds. I would say 5 seconds, it's not a big deal, are elapsed. We have more than 1000 messages or last flash elapsed is greater than also I want to separate the standard library imports from the other. Oops. We'll create a separate function for this. What value was that? Mutable, I believe. Okay. See you in a while. Thanks for stopping by. And you will let me know how it's going. Okay, a SQLite statement. It's never used. Yeah, we know it's never used. But timing is right. I should not complain anymore because I created here. Fine. What time is it? We'll have to go in a little bit. Okay. I'm ready. Okay. Oh shit, of course, because I... Bye. Yeah, this... obvious. I didn't even like bother creating a... what's it named? A transaction. So how does it work? I don't remember, it's not like my bread and butter. Begin transaction and commit. No? If yeah, of course you guys aren't seeing shit again, sorry. So I added this one and this one. This should make it a bit better. I do like this and I want to log something else as well. Wanna log the ID so I can this is not PHP. It's going to be consumed. Is it? It's not. Better. I'll do 1039 test. Wow, it's fucking amazing. I really like this. Now I wanna check what the DB contains. You guys of course cannot see that, but I'm seeing the timestamps. Yeah, let's see if I have a .open data trackerino.db. So you can see we have everything we need. The unknowners, because of course I'm pinging from a local IP and it's not going to understand it. So you have a few seconds left now. I wanna do this. First of all, I'm using requests? No, I'm not. So I wanna cross compile it for Moozle. If this works, I will be able to put it into a Docker container, like run this immediately on my server. Start gathering a bit of data. Actually, in the meantime, I will do something else. What? 9,000, I think. I fucked up the entire compilation, whatever. I mean, it's not a big deal. Meantime, let's oh, CC not found, whatever, it's fine. Okay, so the insert is successful. I want to make it so that I actually return an empty PNG image. We'll look up how other people do it. Okay, let's open any image. Let's do the reverse engineering. View image, okay, so let's return response says response. I want to the headers, please. Oh, that's just 1 second. Okay. My cursor turned down by itself and started playing TikTok for some reason. I need this to be very quick. I mean, what I know is I need to send back bytes. I will, you know what? I will just create an empty pixel. And maybe download it straight up. I can find it. None look like a pixel to me. Just this one. Unbelievable. I will do this. And this as well. I should return bytes actually, what I'm thinking here. String new, and I will instead return. Oh, so I did see it coming. I did see it coming because I put only string new there. double copy over. How can I return bytes? Doesn't look like it's what I'm looking for. Your guy is not seeing again. Reply. Oh, builder. Okay, so see if I can implement this real quick. What version am I using? So nothing breaks. Oh, maybe because I need a wait. Reply. This should work in theory. Oh, because maybe it wanted it from here. Magically working now, is it? Oh, because it's a result. Makes a lot of sense, really. In fact, it works. Of course, I wasn't showing you guys anything. Yeah, I mean, that was the interesting part, actually. This is so difficult to switch between browser and terminal. I need to like automate it, like when I'm clicking on one side, immediately goes to the other. Okay, it started. Let's see. It works. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. And it, like, it's production ready, basically. I mean, I still need to... Oh shit, it's so late. I guess it's gonna be it for now, because of reasons, basically. Okay, I guess this is it for me for the programming stream for today. Let's give it a nice commit. Let's say how can I call that? Batching and okay, pixel response. Push it on GitHub. And that's it. I will let the RNG decide who gets the host, and I will see you guys probably later with Dark Souls 3. I don't know, I'm not sure still. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.